Hi everybody, welcome back to Faraday. My name is Umpumet Matlaba and we'll be going through web design principles. Now, web design principles are crucial because they directly influence how users perceive and interact with the website. Effective web design goes beyond creating visually appealing layouts. It involves a combination of elements that enhance user experience, functionality, and overall usability. Now, when setting out to design a website, we have plenty of decisions to make. These standard web design principles offer us some guidance on key aspects we need to focus on. Today, we'll be going through 7 of those web design principle elements, namely our choosing our color scheme, text font and sizes, images, navigation menus, visual design, and white space. Now, the background colors and the graphics we use have a tremendous effect on the mood invoked for our visitors. We use a color wheel to assist us with making this selection. We look at 3 different options we can use to choose our color scheme for our web design. First, we have complementary color scheme. These are colors that are directly across from one another on the color wheel. So if we were to look at the color wheel, we have right in the middle we have yellow, and then right at the bottom we have purple. So these 2 colors would be considered as complementary colors. Next, we have triad color scheme. These are 3 different colors equidistant from one another on the color wheel. So you could look at it using a triangle. So they are looking at, again, on the center, yellow and the darker blue, and the red would be our color combination if we choose to use that option. And then we have analogous color schemes, which are colors that are next to one another. So choosing fonts and sizes. Many designers would limit the number of font sizes to 3. We would have our headings, subheadings, and full body text. Um, but the minimum size for your font sizes should be at least 12 px so that it is large enough to be read easily. When choosing font colors, black text on a white background is most common. However, any color text with a dark background or a dark color text with a light dark background can be acceptable provided there is a strong contrast. Also, avoid using bright colors for your text. For example, these are your neon colors. Avoid using those. And then also avoid underlining text or making text blue for emphasis, as this can easily be mistaken for a linked text. Use bold or italics for emphasis instead. Moving on to our images. Now, images deliver a complete message. Correct images can connect to views efficiently. Proper balance, color, and contrast accompanied by text can deliver great impact and information to the audience. So it is very important to choose the correct images and make sure that they are relevant to what the website speaks on. Moving on to navigation, the website design should be easily to navigate. The viewer should always know exactly where they are on the website and have easy access to where they would like to be. Also, the menu items should be easily accessible from any pages. So this goes back to consistency. Your nav bar, your footer, your logo should always be on the same exact spot throughout all of the different pages you have. And also the viewer should know exactly where they are. Moving on to visual design. Scrolling text, animation, and flash intros should be used sparingly in your web design and only to emphasize a point for maximum effect. So you don't want a lot of things popping up out of nowhere. This would take away from your usability and also the user experience. You might consider having maybe these flash intros. For example, for an e-commerce website, if you have a flash sale, once the user um, visits the website, it pops up immediately, and then let it just in there, not have too much going on where things pop up while they're trying to do different tasks on your website. And then we have white space. White space is the space between the elements of your web page. It does not literally have to be white, it can be whatever color your background is. Too many elements crammed onto a page can be overwhelming to the user, to the visitor, and would take away from it being um, easily read. So, plenty of white space makes for an uncluttered and easy to read page. Now we've gotten to the end of our presentation, but just um, something we need to also think about when we're designing. You should always aim for consistency in the look and feel of your website. Logos, headers, footers, and navigation bars should reside in the same exact spot from page to page, and the set colors and text should remain consistent sidewise. Consider align your groups of elements horizontally or vertically on the page. Alignment makes both easier to use and more visually appealing. Always proofread your site content. And that's all for today. I hope you've gained valuable insight into the world of web design. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fantastic content. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, goodbye.